Hi, this is Vignaraj Gopal and my team ID is 1389793. So I like to describe the third intermediate business video of my project, that is smart farming using TA. So before going to business video, I like to give some short introduction about my project. So my project name is Smart Farming using TA, which is a fully automation of agriculture project, where every task of the agriculture is automized and customized to the needs of the farmers, and it satisfies every needs of the farmers. So it is our day-to-day life for survival of the farming equipments. So everything is monetized and customized for the farmers. So next we move to the business video. First of all, I like to describe some unique features of our product which is not available in other products. So there are many competitors for our project. So, though there are many competitors, our project is somewhat unique because we utilize all-in-one farming equipments, that is all-in-one farmer technology, that is from starting from monitoring to marketing to sales to rental purpose, their basic needs like digital green card, so soil health monitoring, everything comes under a single platform that is called smart farming using TI. That is our project. So it has an application called Harv, which is most utilized by our farmers. It has both monitoring of the soil health. Our main features of the project is to monitor our soil health, and it is more essential for our efficient growth of the plants. So from that they can able to save all the records, and they can able to use as a open source data for many farmers. So it describes the nutrients of the soil. In soil there are two types of nutrients, one is macronutrition and micronutrition. So both are stabilized and given information to the farmers. So next comes our uniqueness of the project. That is, uniqueness of the project is our system does not only gets the soil nutrition health and the health of the soil, it also markets our product. That is, for a single farmer cultivates the sugarcane, means they can able to get connect with the sugarcane industry or sugar industry, so they can able to directly sell their products to the industry without any intermediate or brokerage. So it can gain more profit for the farmers, and also gain some additional knowledge to the companies. So the companies cannot go and fetch for some raw materials in the society. So everything is assembled in such a way to help the farmers and the society. So next uniqueness of the project is cost efficient. Our product fully uses TI components, Texas Instrument components. So it is the quality of the product is completely all right, and everything is customized in such a way. So since the TI products are in high-end quality and is all over the world, it has secured a high level of name. We use TI components so that we can able to we can able to gain more warranty or guarantee for the product. Our product comes with 2 years of warranty and guarantee, which we gives for both the product as well as the application what they use. So in that application, we can able to, like before said, we can able to monitor our soil health. That is, wherever we are in the world, we can able to monitor our soil health. We can able to do what our crops are currently growing. So everything is customized in such a way for the farmer. So next is marketing. So marketing means the farmer needs to market their product, and also industry needs to rental some farming equipments. For example, if there is a tractor industry, means they want to sell their tractors, so that they can able to use this platform as an open source, and they can able to sell the tractors to the farmers. It can be of affordable price or more price, it depends upon the seller. So next is client acquisition. So in this, it is for common people like us. For example, in a middle class family, they are doing some specific occasions, or there is a celebration in their home. They can able to order their fruits and vegetables in a single platform through this app. So in this app, the farmer can able to transport bulk quantities of vegetables or fruits. So it gives more impact to the society, that is from transportation to the cultivation, and also gives nutrition to the soils, that is effortless measure of the soils. So in this during COVID season, we all have gone to work from home, that is during COVID. Before COVID we were going to office and we were doing our work. So after COVID, still we are in work from home. So the farmers are not in work from home because they daily want to go to their land, and they want to do irrigation purpose, they want to switch on the motors, they want to do whether the plants are affected by some diseases, everything is monitored manually. So through this device, we can able to monitor everything to digitally. So in this device, through this app, we can able to automate our irrigation system. That is, the farmer can able to switch on their motor on and off through this app. So everything is done in this app, and it has many irrigation saving modes, like water saving mode, or the manual mode, or customized mode. So we can able to customize. For example, if we every crop needs different types of irrigation. For example, if we take a watermelon, it needs more water so than other crops. So that time we can able to customize our irrigation process. So through this app, we can able to automate our irrigation system. And next is this is the main uniqueness of our project. Next is how we will acquire customers. So this is a since India is an agriculture country, there are about 25% to 50% of the people are doing agriculture in a native method. So though modern technologies have been arised, we should give awareness to villages, and we should let government sectors to implement this modern technologies to the village atmosphere, so that they can able to the farmers also gain more profit, and also the GDP of India through agriculture can able to increase through this product. So next comes our customer acquisition. So through awareness only we can able to acquire customers, or through advertisement or digital advertisement. Since as the global economy grows, and the what we say is everyone has a smartphone. Since the economy is growing, and the digitalization of products have been completely enormously changing the world. So that time we can able to utilize this opportunity to express our new methodology of agriculture. So through this way we can able to acquire customers, that is through agriculture sectors, like agriculture department, which is present in our government of India, for both soil testing, as well as that is giving our raw materials to the government industries. So these can be come to digital, and through digital platform everyone can able to sell their products. So through client acquisition we can able to get our products directly without the intervention of any brokerage. So this is the final business video of our project. I hope I have covered everything of our business ideas, and our uniqueness of the project. And though there are many risks, since there is we have a competitor called Talaric, so who is also a monitoring of health of the soil. So but their product is somewhat costly, but our product is completely cheap, because it comes under the rate of our Indian budget. It's actually totally cost around 30 to 50,000 of our Indian currencies. So it gives surely a global market also. Not only it focuses on Indian market, it also focuses on global market. So, or like the countries like UAE, where there is no agriculture at all, they do not depend on agriculture. So there we can able to implement this project, and I can able to explore with more agriculture practices. So thus I like to conclude this business video. So I hope this video is useful, and I have covered all the topics of business testimonials. So thank you very much.